Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make AI-made videos. We'll start by understanding the fundamental elements that power AI video creation, from text-to-video models to avatar generation. Then, we'll dive into the diverse range of AI tools at your disposal, comparing their unique features and capabilities. Finally, I'll guide you through the process of selecting the most suitable AI solution for your particular video project, ensuring optimal results and efficiency. Let's explore some essential AI video tools. Many platforms now offer seamless text-to-video conversion, transforming your written scripts into engaging visual content in just a few minutes. You can also leverage AI for incredibly realistic voiceovers and narrations, choosing from a wide array of voices and languages. Furthermore, advanced AI allows you to generate custom avatars and virtual presenters, adding a professional touch to your videos without needing a human on screen. The AI video creation process is straightforward. First, develop a clear and detailed script or outline for your video. Next, select your preferred AI platform and input your prepared content, whether it's text, images, or audio. Then customize the visual elements, audio tracks, and any avatar settings to match your vision. Finally, review your AI-generated video for any adjustments before exporting it in your desired format, ready for sharing. To ensure high-quality AI-made videos, here are some key tips. Always write clear, concise scripts, as this helps the AI interpret your message accurately. Don't hesitate to experiment with various AI voice and avatar styles to find the perfect match for your brand or topic. Incorporate high-quality media assets, such as images and background music, to enhance visual appeal. Remember to refine and iterate on your video until you achieve the optimal output, making small adjustments for significant improvements.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.